everyone and welcome back to our channel, and I hope you have seen my Mysore vlog already where I've shared the best places to visit in Mysore. And in case अगर आपने मेरा last Mysore वाला vlog नहीं देखा है, you can check the link of that vlog in this वीडियोस डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. इस वीडियो के ही डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा, वहां पे जाके मेरा लास्ट मैसूर वाला व्लॉग देख सकते हैं. एंड ये तो रही लास्ट व्लॉग की बात. Coming back to this vlog, today I am back with a new vlog. So welcome to our Mysore food adventure. So we are kicking off this culinary journey right where we've stayed in Mysore. हमने जिस होटल में स्टे किया था वहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं. From the elegant hotel Grand Mercure. So this luxurious haven not only just offers comfort and style but also boasts a fantastic array of dining options that cater to every palate. So chaliye, let's start the food journey from here itself. And first of all, I will talk about this mini charming bakery जिसका नाम है मोक्ष. And I guess काफी apt name है इसका, क्योंकि काफी हद तक मोक्ष प्राप्ति हो जाएगी आपको when you will taste the freshly made bakery items here. And it is located in the hotel lobby itself. So it offers freshly baked cakes, donuts, pastries, some light snacks, etc. etc. So that makes it an ideal spot for a quick treat or a coffee break. Next is for those who love a good cocktail or a fresh drink. Silk Bar is the place to be with its chic ambience and an impressive selection of spirits, wines and cocktails. It's perfect for unwinding after a tiring day of exploring Mysore. So moving ahead, when we talk about proper South Indian food or any kind of cuisine, this vibrant all-day dining restaurant named La Uppu will never fail to impress you. So you will find a fusion of local Karnataka flavors with global cuisines here. That creates an unforgettable culinary experience for sure. So this was all about the restaurants that we tried in our hotel. And ये हंसते खिलखिलाते चेहरे देखकर मुझे अभी एक मुहावरा याद आया है. So अर्ज किया है, happy tummy, happy us, delicious moments without any fuss. So moving ahead to some other cafes and restaurants that we found in Mysore city. Cafe जिसका नेम है The Firangi Sutra. This was one of the cafe with lively and inviting atmosphere. The decor has a vintage and artistic touch, making it a great spot for both casual hangouts and special occasions. Some of the must-try items here are burgers, pizzas and pasta, and we really enjoyed our time here. तो नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं ऑथेंटिक साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट की, जिसका नाम है नलपक रेस्टोरेंट. इट इज अ गो टू डेस्टिनेशन फॉर एनीवन craving for authentic South Indian flavors. So this chain of Nalpak restaurant specializes in authentic South Indian dishes and their menu includes dosa, idli, vada. Popular items जो यहाँ पे आप try कर सकते हैं, that is one wholesome Nalpak थाली. So Mysore special एक थाली आती है जिसे नलपक थाली भी बोलते हैं, हमने वही try किया. कुछ और popular items जो यहाँ पे हैं वो है crispy मसाला डोसा, flavorful बिसी बेले भात and aromatic filter coffee is a must try here. भाई मैसूर का ऑथेंटिक साउथ इंडियन फूड ट्राई करने के बाद अब सीधा शिफ्ट मारते हैं द एशियन सीरीज की तरफ. सो दिस इज मैसूरू's finest pan Asian restaurant with Japanese and Korean cuisine that you can get in Mysuru city. एंड हमारे तो मज़े आ गए थे क्योंकि मेरा कोलैबोरेशन था इस रेस्टोरेंट के साथ. एंड कोलैबोरेशन होता है तो यू गेट ऑल द एक्सक्लूसिव आइटम्स फ्रॉम द मेन्यू. जो भी बेस्ट सेलर्स होते हैं आपको वो ट्राई करने को मिलते हैं, दैट टू फॉर फ्री. सो वी क्रिएटेड सम कॉन्टेंट, वी जस्ट शॉट सम क्लिप्स एंड फोटोग्राफ्स एंड इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ दैट यू गेट ऑल द फ्री फूड. सो दिस वॉज फन. एंड कोरियन एंड जापानीज क्विजीन हमारा वैसे ही फेवरेट है, सो वी गेट टू ट्राई all the sushis, all the ramen bowls, जो भी अच्छे बेस्ट सेलर आइटम्स थे वो हमने ट्राई किए, including some good beverages. So this was all about the Asian series in Mysuru and we had a hell lot of fun here. And I guess that's the perk of being a content creator. You get all the free food and lovely places to visit. So हमने बहुत सारे sushis try किए, बहुत सारे dim sums try किए and we loved here. Akshay also loved here. That was all about it. Last but not the least, let me tell you this guys, that you cannot come to Mysore city and not try Mysore Pak. सो दिस आइकॉनिक स्वीट जो मैसूर पैलेस के रॉयल किचन से ओरिजिनेट हुई है, दिस इज अ मस्ट ट्राई व्हेन यू विजिट दिस सिटी एंड इट रिप्रेजेंट्स द रिच culinary heritage of Mysore city as well. And इसका जो buttery texture होता है ना, it actually sticks in your mouth throughout. And I would say that इस traditional sweet को try करना, it's not just about savoring its taste, but it's also about experiencing a piece of Mysore's cultural legacy. So guys, this was all about the food that we tried in Mysore, and it's time to end this vlog now, but you stay tuned for my upcoming vlogs, and for that you have to subscribe my channel, and for further such travel and food related videos just press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. So till then, have a great time. See you in another vlog. Bye bye. How old is this shop?
Sahar Masala nearly reached 200.
Oh,
We are fourth generation, on that side fifth generation.
oh.